Guys, today we will talk about looping for loop statements in Java. Okay, the what is loop and different types of loops in Java. Okay, first of all, what is loop? The process of repeatedly executing a block of statement is known as looping. The looping statements are also known as repeated statements or iterative statements. Okay, in a looping, a sequence of statements are executed until some conditions for the termination of the loop are satisfied. Okay, the Java language supports three types of loops. They are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay, first of all, today we will talk about only for loop, the general syntax of for loop. Okay, first of all, for inside condition for loop, first to initialization, next to condition, next to increment and decrement body of the loop. Okay, for loop is an entry control looping statements. If the condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed. Okay, otherwise the loop is terminated at the control transferred to out of the loop to execute other statements. Okay, when the body of the loop is executed, then the control is transferred once again back to the first statements. Okay, for incrementing or decrementing the value of the control variable, after incrementing or decrementing the control variable value is again tested. When if the condition is true, then the body of the loop is again executed this process until the condition is true. Okay, first of all, first to start after initialization the value initialized to the variable. After variable check the condition. If the condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed. Otherwise the loop is terminated at the control transfer to out of the loop to execute other statements. Okay, see the flowchart. The condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed. Otherwise the loop is terminated or the control transferred to out of the loop to be executed other statement. Okay, condition is true, execute body of the statement. Condition is false, execute other statement. Okay, next, this is an explanation. For loop is an entry control loop. If the condition is true, then the block of the statement is executed. Otherwise the condition is terminated or the loop transferred to out of the loop statement. Okay, for example of the for loop statement, class for loop. Okay, public static void main is main method. String args for inside condition for loop. Initialization I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, I plus system dot out dot println, print the I value. First I value equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 10 is true. Okay, is true. When the body of the loop is executed, then the control is transferred once again back to the for statement. For incrementing or decrementing the value of the I after incrementing or decrementing the control variable value is again tested. If the condition is true, then the body of the loop is again. This process continues until the condition is true. Okay, we'll get output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, increment, use increment operator. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.